Hi everyone, this is Karthik. In this video, let us learn the subject problem solving using Python. Here, I given the syllabus of first unit. In this first part, we will learn about the introduction to Python programming language. Here, we are going to learn what is Python, history of Python, Python versions, why we need to learn Python, where to use Python in the industry. First, we move on to what is Python. Python is relatively simple. It's easy to learn syntax that focuses on readability. This reduces the cost of program maintenance. Yes, it's very powerful because Python is incredibly easy to learn the basics. It runs on any platform. Almost every major company uses Python. Python is called interpreted language. It means that is every program code is executed, that is output is generated directly without any compilation. Python is a general purpose language, which means that it can be used to build just about anything. Python is extremely useful for web development, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, etc. Python is high-level programming language, which means it's human readable. Python has the ability to get low-level and easy to work with the capability. Therefore, the definition is Python is a simple, very powerful, interpreted, general-purpose, high-level programming language. Next, history of Python. Python programming language was created by Guido van Rossum. The implementation of Python was started in December 1989 in CWI at Netherlands. Python is derived from ABC programming language, which is a general-purpose programming language that had the capable of exception handling and interface with Amoeba operating system. Guido van Rossum published the first version of Python code 0.9.0 in February 1991. This release included exceptional handling, functions, and core data types. And the name Python came from one of the most popular British comedy show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. From here, we got the name Python. Next, Python versions. Python programming language is being updated regularly with new features and supports. There are lots of updations in Python version started from 1994 to current release of 2019. First, the version 1.0 was released in 1994 January. The major features included in this release were the functional programming tools Lambda, Map, Filter and Reduce. 6.5 years later, in 16th October 2000, the version 2.0 was introduced. This release included list comprehensions, a full garbage collector, and it was supporting Unicode. After 8 years, 3rd December 2008, the major release was the version 3.0. It's also known as Python 3000 or Py3k. The emphasis in Python 3 had been the removal of duplicate programming constructs and modules. Python is open source, which means it's free to use. To get Python, go to www.python.org. Download and install the latest version Python 3.8.2. Next, why we need to learn Python? It's a beginner-friendly language. Just remember, if you are a beginner and you don't have any knowledge in programming, then Python is the best language to learn first. It's easy to understand. As I said, Python is a high-level programming language, so it reads like English. Its syntax will be very easy manner. Python is very easy to learn compared to other programming language. It's a portable language. Portable is nothing but we can run this Python program in many different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix and Macintosh, etc. Simply called Python is platform independent. Python is scalable, which means it provides a good structure and support for large programs. Python has support for an interactive mode of testing and debugging. Next, where to use Python in the industry. Python is one of the most popular programming language and it can be used for backend and web development like Google and Yahoo. Python is used for many organizations such as Nokia, Red Hat, IBM for software development. Using Python, we can build games like Battlefield 2 and Crystal Space. Walt Disney Future Animation Blender 3D graphics are built by Python. Cybersecurity analysis and other encryption and decryption work is done using Python, a national security agency which is located in USA. In NASA, scientific calculations are computed using Python. Let us revisit what we have learned so far. Definition of Python, history of Python, different versions of Python, importance of learning Python, and different organizations use Python. Hope you all are well familiar with introduction to Python programming language. Thank you for watching.